Everything will be alright, just believe in me. If I have you here with me, then your smile is all I need. You and I on the day that plays together, standing so high, reaching the sky. Felt the rushing wind of tomorrow. Can you feel it? My hand on your hand, overflowing courage and love. Feel the beat synchronize and our hearts harmonize, lifting me high above into the blue sky and beyond. I looked around the world and found the only, my one and only precious treasure. Now that I've got you, I've learned to believe in us, believe in the power together forever. I felt a quiet touch, a miracle from my heart on a magical stormy night.
Hear the story? Yes, I did.
Someone said a wolf and a goat became friends.
Are you sure? It sounds fishy to me.
Yeah, but someone saw them together. Or at least that's what I heard.
It's true! A wolf and a goat were walking together! Wow! Unbelievable!
You're kidding.
It's true! A wolf and a goat are friends!
Ha, that's impossible. You can't trick me.
It's no joke! Everyone's talking about it!
Oh my goodness! Big news! You'll never believe it! Have you heard the latest? What? What is it?
No!
Huh?
A wolf and a goat are friends?
Uh-huh. What? What is it? There's a wolf that has a goat for a friend. What? A wolf is a friend? Whose? A goat? Like one of us? That's impossible. We are the wolf's favorite meal. Oops. Don't say that. It's not a good thought.
You're right.
You know, it's your fault. You shouldn't have started this crazy topic.
What? You shouldn't have said anything about a goat and a wolf being friends.
But that's what I heard
From who?
from somebody.
Who's that?
A wolf!
Wolf?
A wolf's coming!
A wolf? Oh no! Let's get out of here!
That was easy. I got him. I got him. Ooh, Mount Sawa Sawa. And ha! Baku Baku Valley. It's been a while, baby.
Another day of nothing.
This isn't good. If this keeps up,
If what keeps up?
we haven't caught anything for 3 days. That's what.
Yeah. 3 days without a good hunt isn't good. Is it?
And now Giro's starting to get testy too.
Oh, yeah. That's worse than not having a successful hunt for 3 days.
That's enough already. I'm getting testy just listening to your stupid yakking.
Yes, sir.
A goat!
What?
I found a goat!
A goat?
Come on, guys, let's go.
Oh, what simpletons! We're gonna get that goat for sure!
Yeah, get that goat!
Hold it, guys.
Buddy, what was that for?
Where's the goat?
Well, it's,
Where Where could it be?
There's no scent of a goat anywhere.
Yeah, you're right.
But didn't somebody say there was a goat?
Somebody tricked us.
I can't believe how easy it is. A little lie goes a long way. Hey, May! Huh? Where are you going?
Oh, I'm sorry. We'll play again tomorrow.
There she goes again.
Where's May?
She went to see a friend we don't know.
Oh.
Hey, Hey, Moro, can't you stop eating for a second and say something?
Huh? Say what? Yeah. This grass is pretty good.
For sure.
Huh? Did you say that grass is good?
Huh?
Who are you? You want to know? I'm Usaru, the traveling monkey. Want me to tell you where there's even better grass?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. There, that's it.
Oh, wow.
But I wonder if it's really good.
I'll try it.
Me too.
Me three.
It's yucky.
Bad stuff.
Water.
This is too easy. Huh? It's that kid again.
Oh, I'm sorry.
She went to see a friend we don't know. Hey! Hey, you!
Me?
I have a message from your friend.
Huh? My friend?
Yeah, your meeting place has been changed to Hanahana Pass.
What? Meeting place? What are you talking about? Who told you? What friend?
A friend nobody knows about.
What? What friend?
Go to Hanahana Pass. That's the message.
Hey! Hey, wait! What friend? Is it Gabu? How did that monkey know?
Oh, May's not here yet. It sure is great weather today.
Gabu! He's not here.
I have a message from your friend. A friend nobody knows about.
Gabu! Gabu!
Oh, May, you're pretty late. Huh? Oh, it's already sunset.
Gabu!
Yeah? What? Is something wrong?
Who is that monkey? Why does he know about us? What did you tell him? Why did you say we should meet at Hanahana Pass? Why weren't you there?
What?
Listen, Gabu. Do you know what would happen if that monkey tells everyone about us?
About us?
You and me! Do you have any idea at all? What would happen to us? Oh!
May? May! May! My monkey?
Look! May's back!
Hey, May, did you meet up with a monkey?
Huh? Monkey? What are you talking about?
He really pulled a good one on us.
Huh?
He told us where to find some good grass, but when we got there, it was the tongue-numbing kind. My tongue is still numb.
What are you kids doing?
A monkey lied to us.
A monkey? Ah, that sounds familiar. A monkey lied to us, too.
Really?
You know, that voice that we heard?
Might have been that monkey. Do you think that lying monkey came back here?
Maybe that's him.
What lying monkey?
There was a monkey named Usaru.
That lied all the time. But when no one paid any attention, he disappeared.
Oh, what's bad is that once in 100 times he tells the truth.
Once in 100 times?
One truth in 100 still makes him a perpetual liar. Don't you kids ever believe him?
Yes, ma'am.
A lying monkey.
Huh? What?
I'm sorry.
What's the matter, Gabu?
Huh?
Why the gloomy look?
You're easy to read.
Guess the big one got away, huh? What? Got away?
What would happen to us? Why does he know about us? Who is that monkey?
No. Nothing got away. Not even a monkey.
Did you say monkey?
Huh?
Did you say you saw a monkey?
I didn't see one, but a friend might have.
Then next time you see your friend, tell him not to believe a word that monkey says.
What?
He's a lying monkey. Only tells the truth once in 100 times.
A lying monkey? Yeah, he pulled one over on us.
And we sure paid for it.
Who is that monkey? Why does he know about us?
Hey, guys! I found a herd of deer over there.
Oh, it's you. Huh. Who's going to believe anything you say?
Yeah, you're a lying monkey.
Better get out of here before we eat you.
Too bad. There's lots of deer. Hey, you guys! I know where there's a tree with lots of berries. Want me to tell you? Then I guess all those berries will have to get eaten by me.
I've got to apologize to Gabu for yesterday.
Oh, looky who's here.
It's you!
Huh? What's the matter? You look kind of mad.
Of course I'm mad. You lied to me. And so I accused my friend of betraying me.
Ah, poor you had a fight.
Oh, it's not exactly a fight, but it's all your fault.
La-di-da, no problem. Don't worry. Be happy.
That's easy for you to say. You're the one that started it.
Making up isn't hard to do.
Huh?
Do you want to know a secret?
What?
If you make a wish at Rainbow Rock, that's behind the plunge pool of the waterfall at Mount Mina Mina, your wish will come true.
Gabu!
May!
I want to show you something.
What? What is it that you want to show me?
There's a rainbow-colored rock behind the waterfall that will grant all our wishes.
A rock will make all our wishes come true? Are you sure about that? I sort of hate to ask, but who told you about the rock?
Oh, that lying monkey tricked me!
A monkey? Huh?
No way! I don't believe it!
Yeah, but...
There's no yeah, but!
What's the matter?
You look upset.
we're not really sure.
I don't believe it!
Believe what? Can you tell us what it is?
Probably that monkey's lying again. But there's this rumor going around.
A rumor? About what?
It's something that everyone in the forest has been talking about.
Oh, you mean the rumor that a goat is friends with a wolf?
That certainly is a tall tale.
Yeah, it's that lying monkey.
A big lie.
But,
No, I don't know.
What, Tap?
May's been acting strange. She says she has this new friend, but we've never met the friend.
Something about a goat and a wolf?
That's it.
But can you believe a story like that? It's preposterous.
Yeah, you're right. There's no way a wolf and a goat can be friends.
But you believed it.
Not really.
I bet you did.
What a primitive lie! Who's gonna believe a wolf and a goat are friends? Oh, it's that kid again.
Was Rainbow Rock really there?
Of course! So, did you guys make up?
Well, yes and no.
Tell you what, I've got a better idea.
Better idea?
If you go to the top of Goto Goto Cliff, there's this delicious grass that only grows there.
Grass?
And there's one blade of grass that's shiny and glitters.
Grass that glitters?
Yeah, it's called the golden grass. And if you get it, your dreams will come true.
Gabu! Let's go to Goto Goto Cliff.
Go to Goto. May, did you find the golden grass?
No, I don't see it anywhere. Did you really see it?
Of course! I used to live near there, so I saw it every day. Ah!
Huh?
I know where there's another one. The lone spruce at Pone Pone Gorge.
Gabu!
May! You want to go to Pum Pum Gorge?
Yes.
You sure, kiddo?
You sure, kiddo? Oh, whoa!
But why do you keep believing the monkey? He only tells the truth once in 100 times.
I know. But if it's once in 100, then after the 99th lie, he's sure to tell the truth, don't you think? You never know. Maybe he's telling the truth this time. Then all our dreams will come true.
Do you see anything there, kiddo?
No.
We sure went to lots of places today. It was fun. Monkey see! Well, I'd better be going now.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Next time, I'm gonna take you to a place that has really good grass. I know you'll love it.
That sounds good. Oh, May, you're back late today. Yes. Why is everyone here?
May, there's something we need to ask you.
Yes?
Who have you been with all day?
Huh? Oh, well, I was with a friend.
And who is this friend of yours?
Tap says that no one has met this friend. Wouldn't a proper introduction be a good idea?
Yes, I guess.
There's a strange rumor going around these days.
You've probably heard it too. About a wolf and a goat being friends.
Uh-oh.
You don't know any wolves, do you? It's a rumor, right?
A stupid rumor.
Do you really have a wolf friend?
Oh no, this is bad. I bet our little secret is out of the bag.
No.
What am I gonna do? I guess I'll just have to jump right in there and then what am I gonna do?
It's all right, May. Just be honest. And
Here
tell
I
us what's
go!
Yeah.
Hee.
That goat is friends with a wolf. Don't tell me you didn't know. They're always playing together.
That monkey!
What?
Well, that was a close one.
What a relief!
It's all the monkey's fault.
Honestly, how can a wolf and a goat be friends?
You guys are clueless. This kid is friends with a wolf.
Never mind. We understand you perfectly well.
It's just a rumor.
Just a rumor? I'm telling you the truth, and you don't believe me.
I'm so sorry about all that, May.
I said that you would never have a wolf friend.
Yeah, me too.
A wolf's never a friend.
All's well that ends well.
I did not. No.
May!
Gabu, what are you doing here?
That lying monkey's over there.
Hey, monkey! Thank you for finally telling the truth.
Your lying helped us out.
What's that mean? I never lie. I always tell the truth.
Yes, so thank you.
See if I care if you don't believe me.
Oh. I wonder if that monkey told the truth on purpose to help us out.
That's something we'll never know. But we do know that our secret's safe because of that lying monkey. And that's the truth.